Hi, I'm Leeanna and I work at Proactive Pelvic Health Center. And what I wanted to share with you today is 3 tips. And these tips are what I use with my kids that I work with in order to help optimize their toileting success. So the first tip that I give is I put a lot of emphasis on ensuring that your child is supported and stable while toileting. And that includes making sure that their feet are not dangling, that they have a step stool or something like that that they can put their feet on to give them a foundation of support. And secondly, I also encourage just looking at your child as they are sitting on the toilet. Does it look like their bum might fall right through into the water? Do they have a tendency to hold their elbows extended, almost like they're holding their body up because they're feeling like they're going to fall through? This is important to identify, and you can get inserts or rings to help increase the foundation and the base of support for your child as he or she sits on the toilet seat. So that's the first tip to optimize optimal success for toileting. And the second tip is try to make the experience of sitting on the toilet lots of fun. Singing songs, playing games, having books to read. I sometimes will also encourage using straws to blow into, or bubbles even, if you're really creative, to blow bubbles. And we know that kids tend to rush on and off as quickly as possible without giving their body an opportunity to fully empty. And so you want to really encourage more time and more opportunity for the muscles to fully relax in that position. And thirdly, I also spend a lot of time talking about the position of the body while sitting on the toilet to optimize relaxation of the pelvic floor muscles. And so this includes the strategy of even just, leaning the body leans forward a bit, having a wide sort of legs are wider, to also help assist for encouraging, almost putting your child in a little bit of a slight squat position. And that helps for the rectum to straighten a bit and to help gravity assist with evacuation of bowels. And I also spend a lot of time talking about breathing and encouraging your child to practice deep and slow breathing while on the toilet. That is also a really wonderful way to tap into those pelvic floor muscles and encourage them to fully relax and lengthen and let go. And these are just some really great tips to start with. If you're feeling like you need a little bit more guidance and support, please book an appointment at Proactive Pelvic Health Center and we'd be happy to help you. Thanks.